night. Yeah.
Hello friends, this is SS Cubics here. Today I will show you how to solve the first layer of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So before we get started, let me introduce you to the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. The 3x3 Rubik's Cube has 6 colors: white, blue, yellow, green, red and orange. So in this video I will show you how to solve the first layer. In the next part I will show you how to solve the second layer, and in the last video I will show you how to solve the third layer. So in one side of the Rubik's, if you hold it like this, then center piece is this. These are the edge pieces, 4 edge pieces, and these are the 4 corner pieces. So center, edge pieces and the corner pieces. So now let's shuffle the Rubik's Cube. Now as you all can see, I have shuffled the Rubik's Cube. Now I will tell you what are we going to do first. First of all, we will make the all the white edge pieces surround the yellow centerpiece. So for that, let's start doing it. So here there is a white edge piece, and we want to surround 4 white edge pieces around the yellow centerpiece. So it should be one white here, one white here, one white here and one white here. So I have one over here, so I can directly put it over here. So now another one is over here, so I can put it here, but this one will get disturbed, so I will move it a bit and then put it. So now we have 2, and yes, one is over here. So to put it over here, I will turn it like this, and then I can put it over here. So now one is over here. So now if I do like this, it will get disturbed, so I want it over here. So I will just turn it the where we want it to go, and then I will put this. So now as you can see, we have made the yellow centerpiece around which we have all the 4 white edge pieces. So now we will make the white cross. So for the white cross, we have made this. Now we will take a edge piece. Say for we have taken this. So this is a white and orange piece. So this is a white and orange. So we want an orange centerpiece over here. So we will turn it till the time we get a orange centerpiece over here, and we have got it. So now we have the orange centerpiece with the white edge piece. So now we can turn it 180 degree and bring it over here. So like this. Yeah, so the same for all the pieces. So now have a white and red piece. So now I will turn it till the time I get a red over here. Yes, now I have a red. So now I can turn it 180 degree to bring it here. Now the blue is already fixed, so I can turn it anywhere 180 degree. And now the green. So green I have to turn to get it. Yes. So now I can turn it 180 degree. Now if you turn the cube, you will see that you have made the white cross. So after making the white cross, now we have to put the 4 corner pieces, the 4 corner piece. So let's do that also. See, I have a corner piece over here, so I can just turn it over here and then bring it outside this piece and then put it back. So this has been already fixed. Now one is over here. This I have to see, this piece is white, corner piece is of a red and a blue, so it has to come with a red and a blue. So if it goes here, it would be a blue and a orange. If it goes here, it would be a blue and a green. So we want a blue and a red, so a blue and a red and a white. So this piece should come here, so I have to bring this piece over here. For that I will move it aside, bring this down and put this piece with it and then take it up. So now two pieces are left. So one is over here, so this one is a orange and green, so orange and green would go over here, a green, orange and white, green, green, orange and white. So to do that, I will bring this piece under below where we want it. So we want it right over here, so then I will bring this down over here, and then now our piece is over here. So now I'll turn it 2 times, and now it's in front of us, and now I'll take it back. Now it's easier for me to put it over here, so I'll bring it under it. Now it's directly under it. Now I'll take it aside, bring it down, then put it back and then take it up. So now only one corner piece is left, and it's over here right below it. So as the same step, I'll bring it down, and now it's over here. Now I'll turn it 2 times and bring it in front of me, and I'll take this off, and now I'll bring it right below it, and I'll turn it, bring it down, put it in and take it out. So with this we have completed the first layer of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. In the next video I will show you how to solve the second video. Do like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. So yeah, stay home, stay safe.